you guys are spraying?
We're getting rid of the hardwoods here. We're encroaching into the prairie.
What is it?
So we're removing the hardwoods that are encroaching into the prairie.
The hardwoods?
Yeah.
And what are you spraying?
Maybe the herbicide.
No. We're using an herbicide. It's called imazapyr. It's an aquatic labeled herbicide. It's labeled for this type of use.
And what are you spraying?
Maybe the herbicide.
What is it?
It's herbicide.
It's herbicide?
Yeah.
How are you? You got a wasp flying around you.
Huh?
You had a wasp on your head for a moment. And who are you with?
Why are you taking my picture?
Why were you taking my picture?
Because you was taking our picture.
Because you were taking my picture.
You was taking ours first.
Oh, okay. Well, this is interesting. Don't you think it's neat to see? I'm a city boy.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a novelty to see a crop duster or helicopter duster, whatever you call it. So are you guys contracted by the Parks Department, or who are you guys contracted by? You don't know? And what's your role with this operation? What do you do?
I drive that truck.
Cool. Is that some of the chemicals you're spraying back there?
Just empty jugs.
Empty jugs? Cool.
Hi there.
Any more questions?
Do you have any questions, or are you just taking a video, or do you have a question? Are you hard of hearing? Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry to the helicopter. Gotcha.
Okay. Well, we're conducting habitat restoration, treating non-native invasive hardwood species and some native hardwood species that are encroaching out into the prairie and converting the basin marsh into more of a forested system. So we're trying to set that back, because in this place the presence of the highway makes it so that we can't use the normal processes like prescribed fire to keep the area open. So, okay.
So you're using herbicides?
Yeah, so are you not hard of hearing?
Sorry?
Are you hard of hearing? Okay, sorry. Yes, using herbicides.
Roundup?
No. We're using an herbicide. It's called imazapyr. It's an aquatic labeled herbicide. It's labeled for this type of use.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask.
And your name and role?
My name is Andrea Chrisman. I'm the park biologist here at Paynes Prairie.
Thanks so much.
Yeah. Are you with a media outlet? Are you with a media? Okay. All right, well, enjoy.
So are you guys, you guys called her to try to prevent me from
No,
filming?
not at all.
What? No.
No, I actually...
Well, you just explained to them that it was perfectly okay for me to be here as long as I don't interfere with what they're doing at all. You said I was fine, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought I heard you say.
Yeah, just,
I feel like these guys are trying to intimidate me a little bit from filming the practice. Are you guys worried about me filming at all?
No.
No.
No?
No.
All right. So I'm not bothering you at all?
Not at all.
Okay. Why was she called then?
I'm in charge of this operation.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Yeah, I was on the way here.
Yeah. Okay,
So it
great.
has nothing to do with you.
Oh, good,
Yeah,
good.
Don't worry. Prairie.
Good. I want to make sure people know the general, you know, rights to film in public and that kind of stuff.
Yeah, they know.
Cool. Thank you.
I was just updating them on how we normally handle public or media requests.
Got it.
And for us, we do ask if you're with media, because we're supposed to take down like the reporter's name and number just for a database that's kept through the state park.
Right.
So,
Cool.
but citizens always are interested in what
Yeah, this is I'm a city boy from South Florida, you know, I don't every day see this happening, and I've lived here for 10 years, so
Yeah.
it's happening for me.
The fourth time we've done this, the
Really?
fourth year we've done this.
Great, good to
If
know.
you want to see what it looks like after,
That's
that
evident.
area on the other side was done in 2012.
Now, the prairie has obviously a water table underneath it with the aquifer. Are you not concerned about the herbicide leaching into the water table at all?
No, the herbicide that we're using and the rates that we're using and the type of application, they're not applying it out into the open part of the prairie. They're applying it to this band of hardwoods along the edge.
Right.
It's not going to reach the ground because of the density of the hardwood leaves. So it'll be taken up by the hardwoods and go into their roots, but it's not going to just be reaching like open water and moving through the water.
What's the half-life of this particular herbicide?
I'd have to look at the label.
Yeah.
I don't have that just, you know, on the top of
Yeah, I'm going to research it too. I'm not
Yeah.
familiar. I'm familiar with glyphosate, of course.
Glyphosate, yes.
Glyphosate, yes.
Yeah.
Which was, from what I understand, derived from some of the same chemicals they used in Agent Orange during the Vietnam War that we had. So, and of course, Monsanto is very much involved with the production of that particular.
Well, yes, they held the original patent.
Right. Well, it goes by Roundup now, from what I understand.
Well, it's off patent, so there's
off
actually
patent.
a lot of versions of glyphosate for sale.
Is this a version of it?
No, it's a completely different chemical.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.